Hi, I'm Kobi Alcocer. I decided to do my research on single leg balance and pirouette a la second turns in dancers. This is a study proposal that I decided to do because I have been dancing since the age of 3 and am still currently dancing. This is very interesting to me because in dance there are many movements that are done on one leg which require a lot of balance, such as turns. According to Laws, an author of An Analysis of Turns in Dance, a turn is defined as a rotation of the body on one foot in place. The turn I will be analyzing is a pirouette a la second turn, which is done on one leg while the other leg is lifted out straight in front of the body at 90 degrees. As you can see here in this first picture. When performing the turn, the leg opens up to the side. The purpose of this study is to investigate the relationship between single leg balance and a dance turn, a pirouette a la second in experienced dancers. For this study, I have two hypotheses. Individuals with a more stable single leg balance will perform a better pirouette a la second turn, and secondly, individuals will display a better single leg balance and turning performance on the left leg compared to the performance on the right leg. To conduct the study, 30 collegiate dancers with experience of 5 years will be recruited. To collect participants' single leg balance data, a Burtec force plate will be used. The participant will be asked to stand on the force plate and have their knee at 45 degrees, hands on hips, staring straight ahead and trying their best not to move. 2 trials will be completed on each leg and each will last 30 seconds. Every participant will be wearing Apollo compression socks for both the single leg balance test and the pirouette a la second turn performance. Apollo compression socks are worn by dancers to help stabilize ankles and to create traction to prevent dancers from slipping in turns. Once the data is collected for single leg balance, the dancers will perform 3 rotations of a la second turns. 2 trials will be done on each leg. These will be done on hardwood dance floor. Each trial will then be recorded for later scoring. 2 raters will then score each turn by watching the videos. Turns will be scored by a yes or no with the following factors that are listed below. If the turn factor is done correctly, they will receive 1 point, and if it is not done correctly, they will receive 0 points. At the end, they will be totaled and an average will be taken. Data analysis for the single leg balance test will be calculated by using the MATLAB software. A 95% confidence ellipsis sway will be calculated to quantify a participant's single leg balance and mean sway distance and velocity of anterior, posterior, and medial-lateral directions. An SPSS software will be used for a statistical analysis. Spearman correlation analysis will be used to assess the relationship between balance and pirouette a la second turns. When this study is later conducted, I expect to see a negative correlation between parameters of the balance and the turn score, and also balance and turns will be performed better on the left leg. I would like to acknowledge the Education Division of the Council for Undergraduate Research for awarding this study proposal. Thank you for the opportunity to be able to present my research.